so you're gonna be filming. That's real cool. Hey, Ed.
Hey, these are smart kids.
Ed. How you doing? Who's ready to launch some rockets?
Okay, so here's the thing. We're gonna go launch some rockets, and hopefully ours doesn't explode, but I have a feeling it's gonna go higher than all the other ones, and it's gonna kick the crap out of Kaitlin's group, because it's gold member.
Because they're girls.
And the design is much better. We spent a lot more time on it. There's no way Kaitlin's group is gonna beat us.
Oh, excuse me. I hope your rocket blows up and incinerates.
I just did a whole interview on how we're gonna win.
No, actually, their rocket's gonna blow up on the first try, and ours is gonna launch every time and go higher than theirs ever would.
And they assembled
When have you ever seen a pink rocket? Seriously,
They
with
assembled their
purple
parachute
tips.
incorrectly because you're dumb.
We redid
Pens.
it, and it's good now.
Go Pens, right? Go Pens.
Go Pens.
Yeah, I have a camera there.
Now just talk about the rockets.
Our rocket's right there. It's 6 feet long. Joe just added some tape, so it's all spirally and everything. Yes, it is. It's supposed to travel 900 feet because it uses the E engine. E engines are like huge. What does this one use? Like 2 C engines? Yeah, ours uses an E engine. Like, it's absolutely amazing.
Hello, my name's Dan Wright, and combined with William Kenniers, Chad Richards, Ryan Meditz, cameraman.
That's me.
We created Gold Member. Is a 3-foot long rocket. It has 2 D engines right there.
Check those bad boys out.
Did the wiring myself.
Don't need to brag, I guess.
And
Came to track and field. Right there.
yes, I'm also the member of the record-holding 4x8 team. We broke it yesterday.
Okay, Dan, let's just not brag. Joe, why don't you tell us about your rocket?
It's a pretty good rocket. It's taller than me.
Let's get a picture of our team.
Look at Michael Bain.
Willie, a picture.
We're getting a team picture.
Do it. Let's go by the tree. Ryan. Chipper.
Nate.
Settle down.
It's so pretty, and it's pink and purple, so it's gonna be visible in the sky.
Is this going on the school news?
I'm pretty sure, yes. Oh, there he is. All aboard the bus, children! Yay! I can't wait! Hello, sir.
How you doing, sir?
Video. Get to the back of the bus, William.
It's fun, see. Everyone gets their own seat. So the anticipation is amazing. I can't wait to launch this rocket. Who won the creativity contest? Rocket? Yeah. I haven't decided. Uh-oh. What did they decide? I just dropped the engines. Hopefully that doesn't alter our flight at all. Just hope for the best.
I love gold.
So Willie, what are we gonna do after school?
Work on a PowerPoint at Dan Wright's house. And that's all. Just a PowerPoint.
Okay, I truly believe that we should win the creativity test because
Exemplify.
we borrowed $5 in gold spray paint. We We actually stole it, so we got to keep that on the DL.
Once you get like.
No, I actually showed up and I just had like 524 cases. Just like, woo! Party starter!
AP PowerPoint, yeah! Is that the Mr. Payton said he had a special battery for
The die-hard portable power.
Hey Dan, so remember we had that AP Calc prank?
Brick, where did you get that grenade?
Oh, Stonewall Face, right? Remember you weren't there for the AP Calc pranks? Willie, you were there, right?
yeah.
Yeah. Dan, where were you? No comment, right? Hey Krupa, you were at the AP Calc prank, right?
Yeah.
Did you like it?
That was amazing.
Where was Dan?
With Dana Duffett.
Oh, dropping names, huh, Krupa? Oh, look at that face.
Snap. What were you doing at this cookout?
Eating what?
Eating what?
And snacks.
Barbecued food! When are you gonna do this video?
This is for Krupa.
This is like a documentary.
Yes, it's a documentary, and it's gonna turn into be like Cloverfield. The whole universe is gonna explode, and a sea monster is gonna come in and tear down the whole city.
I like sea monsters.
Thank you.
Bye, sir. I'll see you in a little bit.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much for
This is the launch site.
I don't think we're watching here.
Why'd you really had it? Willie, you got the basket?
Be safe. Did you catch a Pens game last night?
Yes, I did. They won 3-2.
And who had 2 goals?
Sidney Crosby.
So I thought.
How would I know?
Willie's playing in the field with grass like he's 5.
I think it's too thick.
That's what she said.
It's hard to vibrate.
I find that chewing on grass tastes a lot like lettuce.
Ryan, did you get that bag you were looking for?
Yeah. Walker, what are you doing?
There's the losing rocket crew.
Get you by.
It's the winning rocket group, Ryan.
Nate, whose rocket do you think is the best?
Ours?
Hey, can I have my camera?
Proven fact, actually, it said on the box.
It's Atticus One-Shot Finch.
Huh, that name hasn't been
Let me try.
used
He also
15 times.
he fights for racial equality.
Is that why it's purple?
To those who are oppressed.
Like the color purple?
Yeah, exactly.
Like lettuce.
I don't know if we'll need them, but if anybody wants binoculars, I brought some binoculars.
In there.
I found that this this powder is gonna make our rocket and our parachute survive. So it's pretty essential to the flight. Does anybody need some powder? You got powder?
I was going to say.
This is their one and only launch.
See it again.
All the way. All the
Hopefully
way.
you guys are luckier than me. If it were just me doing this, then it would be the last time that we saw it.
I'm not that lucky though. Don't count on me.
Kaitlin, you shouldn't have to worry about luck. If your rocket truly is that good.
Well, I
Not.
My rocket is really good.
I kind of want it pointed just slightly away from us. No, whoever is the chief engineer in this team.
I want to light it.
Well, I need somebody to light it, but I need somebody to put clips on. But when you put these
My
on
predictions for this first launch is that it's going to catch the grass around the launch pad on fire and ultimately end up in a dead flight. And the pink rocket is no more. You know?
I'm kind of hoping that it just blows up.
I should have brought my sunglasses. Yeah, I was thinking. I should have brought my sunglasses. I'm regretting this now, but
Like Carl did. Got his shades on.
Mr. yeah, He's well prepared for this. He knows what he's doing.
We're just gonna have to bleep out the times that we say Carl. Or give it to him after we graduate. Chad, tell us about your birthday celebration.
My birthday bash. Okay, it's gonna be Friday, June 27th at either the Diamond Lodge or someplace in Pennsylvania. The place isn't. We're not 100% yet, but
we'll finish
I will
this
tell
after.
you later.
Maybe it's just a rocket. The sign from.
I think your rocket's scared of us.
It's not our.
Whose rocket is it then?
It's a
Just like their whole rocket.
The goddess Athena has forsaken you!
Okay, I'm going this way.
I'm glad I got that on film.
What deity is this that brings pain and trouble?
Are we gonna edit this film?
Probably not. If the rocket actually launches.
I remember one time when I was in 5th grade, me and a few of my friends were playing with matches. And it was a sort of wet day. We were just kind of lighting them and throwing them in this wet pile of leaves. And one just caught on fire. And then one, we found an old tire and we tried to throw it on it and put it out. It just spread and got even more. It was a bad
Nate. Just standing there with his rocket. Getting in the mine zone.
I'd rather not injure the rocket just yet.
Where is he on vacation?
And there's the less studious.
Let's blast this rocket off. What do you say? All minutes?
Yeah. Yeah. Hey, it's still filming.
Hey! That's funny. Hey, dude, I think you're gonna try and launch.
Give us a little talk.
Well, I didn't build a rocket, but guarantee I could have made one launch like better than that one.
Or not as good as the guys?
No, not at all. Not even close.
Okay, but that's kind of the gist I got.
That's kind of the gist of it.
This thing's gonna be damn.
Because I bet you Nate, so you're saying that the girls' rocket launches on the first try.
These two right here.
Hey Kaitlin, what's going on?
I don't know.
Oh, that's what I thought.
Why is your rocket terrible?
It might not even be the rocket's fault. Take the shot.
Yeah,
Hey Kaitlin.
People putting the rocket together.
Hey Kaitlin, guess what? Alan didn't build a rocket, and he still has as many launches as you.
Oh my god.
That's me.
If ours doesn't launch, I'm gonna be pissed.
I think we're gonna try gold member.
We're gonna hope the best for gold member after I just talked all that smack.
You know what? If yours blows up,
If ours blows up, it's just gonna be called irony.
This is gonna call
karma.
This is like Physics Olympics, in which you made that comment toward our bridge.
Yeah.
And then your bridge
Just
failed.
destroyed.
Just got destroyed.
This kind of reminds me of the time when we built this rocket and it might just explode.
I'm in support of your group, Kaitlin.
What?
Shut up, Dan.
Caitlin.
You know what, Dan? I realize that you're a nice person.
Dan, you're crossing the line right now.
And you know what? This is why I like you. It's not your
What are you trying to say, Kaitlin?
I'm saying that you're a mean person.
All right, we're gonna try gold member.
We're gonna try gold member.
All right.
It's just a small one for it. We have both.
Yeah, we
Oh,
don't.
you do?
I don't know which one would be better to use.
Probably the big one.
Yeah, let's try the big one. Wow, it's warming up out here, isn't it?
Yeah, feels nice. Chad, this is the moment of truth.
This is the moment of truth. I'm gonna feel like a loser, especially if ours doesn't launch, because we were talking all that smack to Caitlin's group.
Yeah,
but
really. Better be careful. Okay, boys.
Slide it on there.
Dan, make sure the caps are on. Yeah, just push them in.
I'll steady here.
I know we taped them, but.
Yeah, it was a little sun today.
Oh god, that's
It
a
got
wire.
warmer.
Yeah.
It's all dramatic.
Okay.
Are you good?
Wait, I'm gonna get a picture.
Did you guys, you got a clip on the... Clip
Did you
these
make sure
on.
everything's up there for enough
Try to
time?
keep it closer to the end where we have good contact, and don't let these touch.
Hey guys, that's like really Yeah, it really is.
It's all right, James.
Hey, don't worry about it.
Change that, I guess?
It's good. It's good.
It's good.
It's all good.
It's all good. Hey, guys, it's all good. Full trajectory.
Near the bottom.
I know.
So do I.
Otherwise, we're going to have to pull this bus up here and get a jump start.
Our pride's on the line right now.
I know it is. Yeah, that's all your fault for talking us up. I hate you.
I talked us up pretty good. It's like physics.
All right, whoever's pressing the button.
Who wants to do the honors?
Dan's got it. I have a feeling these rockets just don't work at all.
You know you're not going to leave that on because that's just going to get in the way every time.
I don't see any launch action.
You're right, you don't. Please make fun of Ryan for that.
Ryan, what now?
I don't see any
What now,
launching
Ryan?
going on.
Hey, Laura,
Do you have anything to say about that? I don't think so, because there is nothing you can say.
Yeah, just give us a second, because you guys took what, 15 minutes?
He tested it out on us. He was trying out
Mr. Frank just said it must be the batteries for us. You guys just.
It was the battery for us too, Ryan.
No, it wasn't, because your igniter went off. Your igniter went off.
That was the end of it. It was black anyway.
It was supposed to be like that.
They were all
Mr.
black.
Crumb was launching off these little guys. Let's try each of these, see if any of these.
Clear.
Hope that it wouldn't work, or that would go and it would go right for you, Ryan.
Do you think it's the wires?
I don't think so.
To get you hilarious. Ryan gets
Tell that to the camera. Wait, Ryan, Kaitlin has something to say to the camera.
2, 1.
I think it's the wires.
I think it's the battery. Although I charged both of these batteries up last night.
So
That's why I went out and got this battery last night, just to make sure we had enough power.
Did the igniters go off?
No.
Oh, good. Because Caitlin's did, but ours didn't.
Do you change wires?
Willie, you kind of look like Huck Finn right now.
I do love Huck Finn.
Yeah, just take it off. See if what.
Nothing happened in there.
Nothing happened. Let's get a close-up of that, Willie. See, nothing happened.
So we're still one up on Caitlin's group.
It won't be a problem.
Oh, let's take the bus
That's
battery.
not the issue. The issue. It does so little to the battery in the car battery.
That would really send those rockets.
Usually your car is closer to the launch.
And then when the bus pulls up, we overpull like how much?
Your parents will be fine with it.
Wait, what are you
When you
talking
disconnect
about?
the battery,
I don't even know what I'm being asked.
Okay, give us a. What is he saying?
He's saying that it's not going to do anything to the battery, but what he's concerned with is pulling a car closer to the launch site where it could potentially be in the line of fire from a rocket.
Yeah.
I've never heard Olivia laugh so much as what I just talked about. I was like, we're all so tight now. Like when Olivia and I hang out on the weekends, and she just started laughing hysterically.
Daddy was still laughing about it.
It's okay, you know, I'm kind of hurt, but it's all right. I'll get over it.
But I think it was because Laura.
Mr. Pennington, I'm an adult. I'm 18 years of age.
You know, legally you're not.
Really?
In high school, until you graduate, you're still a minor. Believe it or not. In terms of high school stuff.
Hey, we might as well try another rocket, at least one more, and if not...
Krupa, what do you think about the situation right now with the rockets?
If it all doesn't work out, it's okay, because, you know, we're seniors and everything, and,
let's
you know,
do this
we'll
like
just
the
go out to
office,
lunch
like
and have
sit me
fun.
down I think this is a really important time for us because you learn a lot by how you handle adversity. Right now, we're struggling because our rockets aren't working, but I think that
See that little bloody. Yeah, that's not good.
It's actually Nate's fault. We were playing basketball. He elbowed me in the lip, and I kind of just got a little chunk out and I just pulled it off. And
So he's a cheater.
Basically. So, yeah, I think we're going to learn a lot from this experience, and hopefully next time will be better.
There's next time?
Next time.
Betty, do you want the video next time? Are you counting down the last 3 days of school that we have left?
If I manage to not hit Mr. Pennington with a rocket this time, then I'm thinking we're going to need another one. We need another shot at it.
A nice guided missile, huh?
The battery wasn't turned on.
He might have turned it off when he
We still have...
He might have turned it off.
She's the voice of reason, but I don't think I ever saw him turn it off or touch that battery at all.
Just turn it back off. Don't waste all the battery.
It's off.
He might have just turned it back off.
Why don't we see if it sparks? Isn't that a good idea?
That is a good idea.
It's just wait.
The Egyptian is on his way back to the pyramids.
Keep going, you're good.
Alan, you're a little too good at that.
You're at 6. Shoot.
I'm videoing everything so we can remember this.
So you can go. We're playing hand clapping games.
Punching.
And watch the video.
This is Krupa's.
The bass. You know that game when you go like this? Do you know
Atticus. One short finch.
Krupa, your parents are gonna watch this and be devastated.
I know.
Don't
I've
show
lost
it
so
to
much
them.
innocence this year.
Don't show it to them.
I won't.
This video.
Why?
Because there have been made references to Carl about shooting him with rockets. Getting drunk at Dan's house.
It's not like it doesn't happen though.
It's not like it doesn't happen all the time.
Lauren forgot where we were. I just saw her driving back there.
Really?
Yeah, there she is.
Oh yeah, and there's Fatty.
Mr. Penn,
Did you turn the battery on?
you know there's an on switch?
We tried to flag you down.
Because we looked at the battery after you left and I was like,
Are you kidding me?
there's an on switch.
I just bought it last night. I didn't even look. Well, you didn't try to launch?
No, we wanted to wait for you.
Oh, okay. All right. Well, let's give it a try.
Don't tell anybody. We'll tell them you had it on. No.
They don't know.
Well, we mentioned it.
It's our secret.
You had it on.
All right, let's put one on the wire. Let's go.
Maybe that's how we can launch it. We can just attach the wires and then switch the on. To attach the wires.
Rocket Man.
Oh, okay. Using the gray one?
Yeah. Yeah, I think the gray one's a little better. Cleaner. Cleaner.
Let's get right there. Let's do this. Let's get this action. Very quiet.
Get it up in the car.
Thank you.
Yeah, the car battery will definitely
Be gentle with it.
Where's the other end? Okay.
Make sure the igniter caps are in.
car battery is so powerful for this kind of stuff that you get the wire close to the terminal and it goes.
Okay.
That should be good.
Ooh, that's good.
In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yes. Oh, we gotta go.
All right, time for the car battery.
It's flying.
It's so fast I lost it.
Does anybody see it? I can't see it.
Wow, it's out of this world.
All right, so much for the diver.
I lost it in the sun.
I think it was behind that cloud up there.
This baby's going back.
Hold on a second. This came off.
Oh, it came off?
This just did now, yeah.
Are you sure it didn't happen before?
Yeah, I just saw it come off.
Okay.
Did you ignite it?
No.
Maybe it was it off?
We try it again.
You want to try it again? Bring the battery closer.
Hold on a second. Yeah, I'm gonna clamp that one higher.
Turn it on.
All right, we're on.
We're just touching the water.
3.
No dice on this one.
The car battery doesn't work. I don't know what to do then.
Wait. You can split these. Alright, we're gonna try again. We're actually a little closer this time.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, there.
Time out.
Purses! Ladies, let's get purses!
Just in case this actually works.
Heads up, Louie.
Alright, guys.
The deck.
I can't see it! Where'd it go? Yeah, it's been launched!
The parachute came out. Here it comes. Here it comes.
The car! It's coming right to us.
Woo! Alright! Yeah! Woo! Oh, baby!
Oh, you
Gold member. You guys are on top of the pile.
Woo! Yeah. Look at the boys frolicking in the field.
Now, if the wind will blow, it's exactly what
Nate, what are your reactions about the first rocket launch?
Yo, that was pretty sweet.
Success.
Our rocket's gonna be better though.
Pretty much.
Dream on!
Yes, Meds.
How was the rocket?
This was interesting. We were hooked up to the car over there. Right next to gasoline. It's a great A idea.
Tell us how you really feel.
It was interesting. It was nice to see, it come
No,
down.
how you really feel though.
How high do you think that went?
How do you feel about the current situation?
About setting off rockets?
Yes.
I'm pretty apathetic.
So you heard it, folks.
Okay.
You guys want to do a team break?
Wide receivers here.
Hey Willie, how was that?
It was a beautiful thing.
Do you guys have a rush
We
of
caught it on the
adrenaline?
fly. We're still one up on Caitlin's team.
It looks like a big mechanical pencil.
Jeanette's the real woman here.
Jeanette, are you counting down or just putting it on?
Okay. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And it didn't go.
Oh. Oh.
Put the wires on it wrong. Is it me?
It must be, yeah.
You okay.
Well, knowing me, I do.
Well, I wanted to launch.
Try it again, Jeanette.
I would not put that on.
Alright, let's see if that does it. Hold on.
Stay tuned. The anticipation grows as Krupa prepares to launch his rocket. Let's watch.
This is so big.
Alright, who wants the honors?
Oh, you're welcome. It's only $10. You guys ready?
Yep.
We should try another group. See, Krupa, the problem we're having with this video.
What's up?
I know, I'll let you.
No dice.
Wow, that was nice.
The boys are frolicking in the field. Krupa is hard at work.
Alright, ball for him. Let's do it. What's that?
The electric line! The power line!
What's all that? That's the warning.
Is it supposed to fly out like that?
That thing is cool.
No,
It's like it is coming much out. It's really fast. I would not want to catch that. No! Krupa! Krupa, stay out of the way!
There's only one question. Where's the other half?
I don't know.
no, that's all of it.
That's all of it?
Oh, the cap just came off.
That's it. That's all of it. Oh, I see the cap is right on the top. Oh, God.
I pushed down really hard and it worked.
Uh-oh. Oh, we almost didn't have a parachute.
Trajectory!
Wow, that was close to coming straight back down on our heads. Like a missile. Yeah.
Jack, you launching it?
Yeah. Willie.
Let's wait till they catch you.
You guys are doing a good job. It's a good building. Anytime I launch before with a group of students, there's always half of them. The parachute doesn't come out.
No.
Okay, heads up. Heads up, ladies. Nice.
James, we gotta use that for our next
All of
flight.
this? Are you serious?
Oh no, it blew up.
Oh, it's coming down nice.
They don't have money to travel.
Plus, nobody really wants to go.
Some people haven't really changed too much.
I'll go.
Okay, heads up.
My ankle. No! Still on it. Knock him off.
Are we ready? Okay, heads up.
Don't waste any time.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Close. Getting close. Oh!
Start a countdown.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
5.
Now I'm just videotaping Krupa running all over the field.
What's that?
Just running, it's funny. No, I won't.
What I felt.
No, I know where it's at though. So I'm alright right now.
We want 20 words of pride.
This is what happens on our AP Calc trips. When you get screwed because they have to deal with all these kids.
Okay, here's what we did.
They are very mad. Look at them. They're fuming.
Okay, here's what we did. We were in the last seat on the bus. We got out before anybody else did. Now we're first in line.
Yeah.
That's a good feeling.
Look at these losers that are waiting. See, she's mad. Thank you, got his food. Okay. They're just working. Just doing their jobs. I'm kind of mad. Okay. Are you gonna Enjoy this Wendy's.
Oh yeah.
He waved to me. He wanted to be famous.